Hello, random citizen. Today we're gonna cover how to upload data using Microsoft PowerShell, formerly known as the command prompt. Step 1 would be understanding the problem. Build an ER diagram and a schema to navigate the problem you want to solve. In our case, it's identifying the factors that increase the likelihood of success for the H-1B visa process. Next, transform and load your data. We will be using Power Query, but you are welcome to use any tool that does this step. Make sure you clean your data and you follow the normal forms, which is that each table cell should contain a single unique value. And then that each table must have a single column primary key. After the process of normalizing, export each table as a CSV. Now, if the file is over the limit of rows for Excel to handle, you can alternatively chunk it into smaller, more manageable files using reference, for example. Now, it's time for PowerShell. There's a middle step here. Just ensure the path exists to MySQL. Navigate like this. Go into Edit the System Environment Variables, Environment Settings, then Path. Very often, MySQL is not part of the executable files. If that is the case, just click New with the path MySQL. After clicking OK, make sure you restart your computer. Now, we go and access the server through PowerShell. Use the following commands to navigate to the directory where your CSV file is located. Use the following cd and the path of your file. Next, use dir, D-I-R, and you can verify that you can see your files. Now, let's go on to the next step, which is converting the CSV file to include quotations in every field. This helps us avoid any problems. Just update the path to where your file is located. Example, I have my files on downloads. So use the following, and then after you're done with all your tables, we move on to the next step, which is connecting to the MySQL server. I will use the following, and then I'm going to put my password in. Now, we are ready to upload the CSV files to MySQL. In my example, I'm going to do use dm2, which is the name of my schema, and afterwards, it's loading time. You're going to write this, and make sure you hit Enter. For additional tips, use your notepad for easily editing, copying, and pasting. And most of all, be very detail-oriented and resilient to mistakes. The order in which uploading happens matters, from the oldest parent or dimension table to the smallest child or fact table. And if you were to truncate or drop tables, follow the reverse order. Have a good one.